Recording in progress. Hello guys. Today we'll see about delete API request. So we have seen post, get, put, all the three APIs with the help of CYPRESS automation, and the last one is delete API. So that also we will see how we are going to delete the APIs. Okay, just go here, delete this. So how you are going to delete the APIs? Okay, so you can go and you can pick the dummy JSON from here. So delete. You can use this delete. Okay. Delete API. You can use this API and the response, you should get the response to not work. So go here. Reference types equal CYPRESS. So delete API test. Here, CY dot request. So what is the HTTP request you are going to work here? Delete on the URL. So what is the URL? So dummy URL, right? Dummy JSON. Dot then response dollar response. Here expect dollar response dot status dot equal to. See here, once if it is get deleted, no, the status code should change to 200. The status code should change to 300, 200. So just give the 200. That's it. Go here. Just run the delete one. Delete API. So what I give? What is the request here? It's 200. Oh yeah, it's wrong. Correct. It should be 204. So here, yeah. See now we got it. It is 204. It should give the 204. So this is the request. And you get the response 204 for delete. So expected 204, actual 204. This is how it is working. So in upcoming sessions, now we will see all authentication related register authentication related APIs also we'll see. So if anyone want to test now, you can go with the request.in or dummy JSON also you can go. Okay. So login, get token, we will see this one in the upcoming sessions. Okay. Thank you.